Sue and Jonas had some stamps. Jonas had 7 times as many stamps as Sue, which means J is to S. That would be 7 is to 1, okay? The ratio of the total number of stamps Greg and Sue had to the total number of stamps Sue and Jonas had was 5 is to 8, which means we can develop another set of ratios. Greg and Sue is to Sue and Jonas. That will be 5 is to 8. So the first question goes, find the ratio of the number of stamps Greg had to the number of stamps Sue had to the number of stamps Jonas had. Okay, so you need to find the ratio between these 3 people. Part B, given that Jonas had 72 more stamps than Sue, how many stamps did Greg have? Now, to do this question, we need to realize that there is a common, repeated identity between the 2 ratios. So the first one has J and S, second one also has a combination of J and S. So what we need to do is to total this up for J and S and ensure that these 2 numbers are the same. Okay, because in the second set of ratio is also J and S involved. So indeed it's the same. We can proceed to say that Jonas has 7 units, Sue has 1 unit of stamps. If it's not the same, let's say in another example, we need to make it into the same lowest common multiple first. Alright, so for sure, Jonas will have 7 units, Sue will have 1 unit, and how about Greg? Greg and Sue is 5 units. Which means, now that we know that Sue is 1 unit, we can find for Greg. Greg will be 5 minus 1, that will be 4 units. Okay, so Greg is to Sue is to Jonas will be 4 is to 1 is to 7. This is the answer for part A here. Ta-dang. Okay, now for part B. Given that Jonas has had 72 more stamps than Sue, how many stamps did Greg have? Okay, so Jonas and Sue, the difference is 6 units, right? 7 minus 1, 6 units. And 6 units is equivalent to 72 stamps. 1 unit will be equals to 72 divided by 6. 12. Okay, so how many stamps did Greg have? That will be 4 units. Times 4. Final answer for this question is 48 stamps for Greg.